This is the new Nubia Music from ZTE. Let's unbox and take a look of the key features of the phone. The packaging box of the Nubia Music is made of thick cardboard material with a matte finish and clad in all black color. On the top cover, you have this nice pop art design making the box stand out and adds a youthful and energetic feel. Opening the box, you get the following items: Nubia Music phone, clear protective case, SIM ejector tool, quick start guide, warranty card, screen protector, USB-A to USB-C cable, power adapter. The Nubia Music has two available colorways in pop art and our review unit in Zeal Orange. It has this attractive half-tone pop art dot design in a vibrant orange color. Easily seen on the back panel beside the cameras is a large speaker that draws inspiration from the classic vinyl record player design. The large speaker is powered by an AI super volume algorithm which offers up to 600% volume or 95 decibels and support for DTS:X Ultra to further enhance the sound quality.
Champion sa bango, 475! Oo, 475 na nga lang!
Ultimate acoustic type of busking. And on July 24th, 3 p.m., our first
Snoop Dogg, D.I. back.
A unique feature of the Nubia Music is having a dual 3.5mm earphone jacks to share and enjoy music with family members or friends. The Nubia Music has a bigger HD Plus display size at 6.6 inches with maximum refresh rate of 90Hz and 180Hz touch sampling rate for a more responsive screen. Going to the internal chipsets of the phone, it is powered by a Unisoc 69863A octa-core processor, 128GB of internal storage, and 8GB of dynamic RAM for a smooth performance in running multiple apps. A new addition on the Nubia Music is the Live Island interactive feature that extends the punch hole camera into an elongated pill-shaped window to display crucial notifications like battery status, countdown timer, voice recording, and more. The Nubia Music has a large battery capacity of 5,000 mAh. With this amount of battery, users can listen to music for 150 hours on the earphone. Using the speaker of the phone can offer up to 48 hours of continuous playtime. Now, listening to your favorite radio is now possible on the phone without using a wired headphones, as the Nubia Music has a built-in FM antenna. The Nubia Music has a dual camera setup equipped with a 50MP and paired with a secondary AI camera. You get clear facial details on shot with face detection and troubleshooting scenes recognition. For your selfies, you get a 5MP lens. There you have it, the new Nubia Music is now in the Philippines. Stay tuned for our full review to be posted on www.megabites.com.ph.
Please share, like and click to subscribe to megabites.com.ph.